Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing marketing and how I sell my Valentine's Day decor and balloons. Step number one, you're going to have to set up a very nice display to be able to take photos and for the website and for your Instagram. So that's what we're doing here. We have our helium balloon because we will be selling helium bouquets, and then we display the different items that we're going to have. Make sure you're taking transitional videos of it. Make sure you are getting some good videos just for your Instagram, TikTok, and so on. After doing that, you are going to have to list all of this on your website. If you don't have a website, we're going to have to work on that, right? So the next thing that I'll do is I'll send out a text or email to all of my previous customers that I know have purchased from me. Because I've been doing it for 4 years, I have a consistent 10 to 15 people that would get helium bouquets and that would get Valentine's Day bouquet every year. We also do this for Mother's Day and other holidays as well. So you kind of keep in mind who are always supporting you, so you can be able to send these items to them first after publishing it. So those are just a few ways that I market my Valentine's Day display. This is everything that we have here going on this year. We have some teddy bears that start at $39 with some helium balloons. We also have real roses, chocolates, just because you want to target both those who are budget friendly and those who are willing to impress their girlfriends, wives, or side chicks. That's none of our business. This was one of our most popular items, which was the letter E, so I had to bring it back this year. I hope this video helped, and follow us for more.